Welcome to Space Quiz. Get ready to challenge your brain with 50 fun and tricky general knowledge questions, covering topics like history, science, geography, and more. Hit like to boost your memory and stay until the end for the surprise question. Comment your score and see if you can beat your friends. Ready? Let's begin. What is the capital of Canada? Toronto, Ottawa, or Vancouver? Ottawa. Did you know? Ottawa was chosen as the capital of Canada by Queen Victoria in 1857. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, or Leonardo da Vinci? Leonardo da Vinci. Did you know? The Mona Lisa is displayed at the Louvre Museum in Paris. What is the longest river in the world? Amazon, Nile, or Yangtze? Rio Nilo. Did you know? The Nile River stretches over 6,600 kilometers and flows through 11 countries. Which gas do humans need to breathe? Oxygen, nitrogen, or carbon dioxide? Oxygen. Did you know? Oxygen makes up about 21% of Earth's atmosphere and is essential for life. What year did the Titanic sink? 1912, 1920, or 1931? (1912). Did you know? The Titanic struck an iceberg and sank on April 15, 1912. What is the national sport of Japan? Judo, baseball, or sumo? Sumo. Did you know? Sumo wrestling has been practiced in Japan for over 1,500 years. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Euro, pound, or dollar? Pound. Did you know? The British pound is the oldest currency still in use today. Who discovered gravity? Isaac Newton, Galileo Galilei, or Albert Einstein? Isaac Newton. Did you know? Newton formulated the laws of gravity after observing an apple falling from a tree. What is the largest desert in the world? Sahara, Antarctic, or Gobi? Antarctic. Did you know? The Antarctic desert is the largest, covering over 14 million square kilometers. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? Tomato, avocado, or pepper? Avocado. Did you know? Guacamole is a traditional Mexican dish made from mashed avocados. What is the most spoken language in the world? English, Spanish, or Mandarin? Mandarin. Did you know? Mandarin Chinese is spoken by over 1 billion people worldwide. What is the chemical symbol for iron? Ir, Fe, or O? Fe. Did you know? The symbol Fe comes from the Latin word ferrum. Which continent is the largest by land area? Africa, Asia, or North America? Asia. Did you know? Asia covers about 44.58 million square kilometers, making it the largest continent. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, or Abraham Lincoln? George Washington. Did you know? George Washington served as the first U.S. president from 1789 to 1797. What is the smallest country in the world? Monaco, Vatican City, or Liechtenstein? Vatican City. Did you know? Vatican City covers only 0.49 square kilometers. What is the main ingredient in sushi? Fish, rice, or seaweed? Rice. Did you know? Sushi rice is seasoned with vinegar, sugar, and salt. How many continents are there on Earth? 5, 6, or 7? Seven. Did you know? The 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Gold, iron, or diamond? Diamond. Did you know? Diamond is the hardest known natural material. What is the tallest mountain in the world? Kilimanjaro, Mount Everest, or K2? Mount Everest. Did you know? Mount Everest stands at 8,848 meters above sea level. In which year did World War II end? 1943, 1945, or 1950? (1945). Did you know? World War II ended in 1945 with the surrender of Germany in May and Japan in September. What is the national flower of Japan? Cherry blossom, lotus, or orchid? Cherry blossom. Did you know? The cherry blossom, sakura, is a symbol of renewal and the fleeting nature of life in Japan. What is the currency of Brazil? Peso, real, or dollar? Real. Did you know? The Brazilian real, BRL, was introduced in 1994 to combat inflation. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Charles Dickens, William Shakespeare, or Mark Twain? William Shakespeare. Did you know? Romeo and Juliet is one of Shakespeare's most famous tragedies. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Atlantic, Pacific, or Indian? Pacific. Did you know? The Pacific Ocean covers over 63 million square miles, making it the largest ocean. What is the main ingredient in hummus? Chickpeas, lentils, or beans? Chickpeas. Did you know? Hummus is a Middle Eastern dip made from blended chickpeas, tahini, lemon, and garlic. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah, lion, or falcon? Cheetah. Did you know? The cheetah can reach speeds of up to 120 kilometers per hour in short bursts. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? France, England, or Spain? France. Did you know? France gifted the Statue of Liberty in 1886 to celebrate U.S. independence. Who developed the theory of relativity? Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, or Galileo Galilei? Albert Einstein. Did you know? Einstein's equation, E equals mc squared, explains the relationship between energy and mass. What is the official language of Egypt? Arabic, English, or French? Arabic. Did you know? Arabic has been Egypt's official language since the 7th century. How many chambers does the human heart have? 2, 4, or 6? Four. Did you know? The heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. What is the capital of Australia? Sydney, Canberra, or Melbourne? Canberra. Did you know? Canberra was chosen as the capital in 1913 to resolve rivalry between Sydney and Melbourne. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Liver, pancreas, or kidney? Pancreas. Did you know? The pancreas produces insulin, which regulates blood sugar levels. Who painted The Starry Night? Pablo Picasso, Vincent van Gogh, or Claude Monet? Vincent van Gogh. Did you know? Van Gogh painted The Starry Night while staying in a mental hospital in 1889. What is the currency of Japan? Yen, won, or peso? Yen. Did you know? The Japanese yen, JPY, is one of the most traded currencies in the world. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? 50 degrees Celsius, 75 degrees Celsius, or 100 degrees Celsius? 100 degrees Celsius. Did you know? Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at sea level, but varies with altitude. Who wrote 1984 and Animal Farm? Aldous Huxley, George Orwell, or J.R.R. Tolkien? George Orwell. Did you know? Orwell's books critique totalitarianism and political control. What is the longest bone in the human body? Femur, humerus, or tibia? Femur. Did you know? The femur or thigh bone is also the strongest bone in the body. What country is famous for inventing pizza? France, Italy, or Greece? Italy. Did you know? Modern pizza originated in Naples, Italy, in the 18th century. What is the second planet from the Sun? Mars, Venus, or Mercury? Venus. Did you know? Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system due to its thick atmosphere. Who discovered penicillin? Louis Pasteur, Alexander Fleming, or Marie Curie? Alexander Fleming. Did you know? Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928, revolutionizing medicine. What is the largest animal in the world? Elephant, blue whale, or giraffe? Blue whale. Did you know? The blue whale can grow up to 30 meters long and weigh over 150 tons. What is the capital of Argentina? Santiago, Buenos Aires, or Montevideo? Buenos Aires. Did you know? Buenos Aires is the second largest metropolitan area in South America. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes, femur, or humerus? Stapes. Did you know? The stapes bone, located in the middle ear, helps transmit sound vibrations. In which country can you find the Eiffel Tower? Italy, France, or Germany? France. Did you know? The Eiffel Tower was built in 1889 and stands 330 meters tall. What is the national currency of India? Rupee, yen, or peso? Rupee. Did you know? The Indian rupee, INR, has been in circulation since the 16th century. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? Na, S, or SN? Na. Did you know? The symbol Na comes from the Latin word natrium. Which sport is known as the beautiful game? Basketball, tennis, or soccer? Soccer. Did you know? Football, soccer, is the most popular sport worldwide. What is the main ingredient in traditional miso soup? Seaweed, soybean paste, or rice? Soybean paste. Did you know? Miso is a fermented soybean paste used in Japanese cuisine. What is the speed of light? 300,000 kilometers per second, 150,000 kilometers per second, or 500,000 kilometers per second? (300,000 kilometers per second). Did you know? Light travels at approximately 299,792 kilometers per second in a vacuum. What is the name of the Greek god of the sea? Zeus, Hades, or Poseidon? Poseidon. Did you know? Poseidon was believed to control oceans and earthquakes. Thank you, and see you next time.